Turn everything up a little more.
Oh, someone's snoring? Oh my god, Thick Mercs is snoring. Fuck. Dude, I actually fell asleep to my stream. I'm out. Dude, guys, tomorrow, last day, I don't know what we're gonna do. Last day till 2K comes out, we'll do some shit. I don't know. And then the day after that is the fucking subathon. I don't know how that's gonna go. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if I'm gonna die, if Naz is gonna. I don't know what's gonna happen. But either way, oh, wake him up! Oh my god. Let's do it. Let's wake him up. I'm gonna scream right into the mic. So be warned right now, guys. Lower your volume. Okay, here we go. Let me raise my volume. I couldn't yell. My throat like died. Hold on. Alright, well that's, yeah, he's not waking up. Alright, guys.
I want my baby to have your eyes.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Then the next day, subathon, fucking 2K release, Spider-Man, 10K tournament, everything in the same day. Jesus Christ, bro.
Can't be in a room with you and stand on different sides. One thing.
Talk to you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow.